Hello guys, you are welcome to the Digital Abundance YouTube channel. And so the purpose of this video today is to guide you guys through on the second recovery step of your 5 billion sales account that just came out today. So the first thing to do before I start, if you are new to my YouTube channel and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you're actually missing. So turn on the notification button and hit the subscribe bell now so that you'll be getting notification on more educative videos which will boost your 5 billion sales business so that you won't make any mistake in the recovery process of 5 billion sales account. So what I will do now to do the second step of the recovery process in the 5 billion sales account, what you do, you simply click on recover access. Click on recover access, then this form is going to pop up. Then what you do now, I'm just going to put my recovery, my reference number from my which is being generated from my from the first step of my account recovery. So I'll click on check. Click on check now. You can see you have passed step 1 of recovery. Please complete step 2 by entering your secret code that you created on registration and return in 7 days for step 3. So what I'll simply do now, I'll click on go to step 2. So what you do, you click on go to step 2. So you can see this is step 2. Recover account step 2. Please complete step 2 by entering your secret code that you created in registration. So this secret code they are talking about now is that 6-digit memorable code they ask you to create when you were newly registering your 5 billion sales account. So don't make a mistake. This is one of the reasons why so many persons will not recover their 5 billion sales account. I repeat, don't make a mistake. Make sure of the secret the 6-digit code you are entering here. So I'm just going to enter my own. Okay. 996644. So that's my thing. I'm going to screenshot mine now. That's mine. Okay. So that's just the thing. That's just it. Okay. So this is 999966664444. It is 9999666644. Okay. So I'm just going to click on start recovery step 2. So you can see under review, return in 7 days for step 3. So there is still what? Step 3. So in that step 3, they also come with a particular criteria. So I've done that of step 2 recovery now. So it is being reviewed manually. So after 7 days, you now come back to check your status to do that of the step 3. So I'm just going to click on close now. So don't make any mistake. Don't make any mistake. So bye guys. I wish you all the best as we also pray to succeed in what? In passing step 2 recovery process of 5 billion sales account. Thank you very much.